How to put words close together on MS Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word. Simply select the words you want to put close together. After you have selected the words, at the top, you'll find Home section. In that, click on Font, which will open this page. Go to Advanced at the top. In Advanced, you will find Spacing. Click on the arrow which will expand in spacing. Then select which one you prefer. I'm simply selecting Condensed, and beside that you will find Point. If you click on the bottom arrow, which will increase the closeness of the words, as you can see at the bottom there is Preview. After you're done, press on OK and you're good to go. This is how to put words close together on MS Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.